Ready to transform your space this spring? Right, let's dive in to what we're doing for the spring cleaning. This is how we are tackling the kitchen. We're actually being quite brutal and getting rid of stuff we do not need. Keep watching to see the transformation. This is part of my decluttering, which we're doing in the house. And here we go. This is the cupboard empty, clean, ready to be restocked. And here it is. We restocked, and yeah, it's now managed to move stuff that was in other cupboards. So absolutely amazing for this spring.